On today's show, we're sharing an exclusive look at the Suicide Squad Digital HD release.
Plus, we're unboxing the latest haul from Funko's Legion of Collectors, so get ready for DC All Access.
Hi, I'm Jason Inman.
And I'm Tiffany Smith. We looked under the Philosopher's Stone and we found all the DC news you need to know.
The Justice League are under attack, and even their most trusted resources, like the Watchtower, are turning against them. In the latest chapter of the Outbreak storyline, things get deadly when Jessica Cruz and Simon Baz's lantern rings are reprogrammed to kill any member of the League. Hold your loved ones close and grab issue number 9 tomorrow.
The world beneath the Earth's surface is teeming with mysteries, and Cave Carson has a cybernetic eye. Some suspicious activity in the home state of Cave's late wife forces him out of retirement, and the origin of his cybernetic eye is revealed. Settle in with the explosive second issue this week.
In Vertigo news, the battle between heaven and hell causes the world to fall to pieces in Lucifer. New powers emerge this week that will drastically alter the course of the war, and Lucifer's confrontation with God finally arrives. Check in on the celestial conflict in tomorrow's issue number 12.
On the gaming side, roll out the red carpet for the new DC upgrades coming down the pipe for LEGO Dimensions. The new story pack for Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them has some awesome DC Easter eggs. And the upcoming LEGO Batman movie story pack features Robin, Batgirl, and 6 LEGO Batman movie levels. You can grab packs this Friday for Fantastic Beasts, and pre-orders for the LEGO Batman story pack are available now.
Funko's Legion of Collectors subscription service pumps some serious DC power into mailboxes nationwide every other month. All right, Super Friends, it's time to unbox the Batman Villains Legion of Collectors box. Of course, inside every box, there's always a cool little patch. This month is Bane, and then a cool little pin. This month is Riddler. You open up the top, and we get a cool, exclusive comic. Look at that cute little cover of all these little Batman villains. And then inside we have a really neat Joker hat right there. I'm gonna wear that next week. And to drink your coffee, a Joker coffee cup. Plus, inside every box is an exclusive Funko figure. This month is Catwoman, exclusive to this box. And then, last but not least, we get a cute little Dorbs Two-Face. Look at him right there. He just wants to villainize Banks all over Gotham with his cuteness. Now, the deadline has passed for the Batman Villains box, but you can sign up for the next box, which spotlights classic shows like Batman 66 and Super Friends at legionofcollectors.com.
DC Universe Online is dropping a brand new episode starring the Princess of Paradise Island.
I think it's always exciting when Wonder Woman really takes center stage in any epic storyline that's cosmic, that involves Cersei and all the gods. I think it just speaks volumes as to how important she is to the DC Universe and how amazing of a character that she is.
Ares never wanted anything to do with the underworld. We need to find Hades and restore him to his rightful place as ruler. You have emerged from the trials victorious. May the luck of the gods be with you. Athena, I seek your aid to endure Zeus's lightning bolt.
Olympus is for the gods alone!
Foolish mortal, you will fall to my sorcery. Your reign ends now.
You can play the grand finale of the Amazon Fury storyline for yourself this Thursday.
Suicide Squad hits digital HD today, giving you the chance to relive the squad's first feature film from the comfort of your couch. For today's featured story, we've got an exclusive sneak peek at the special features that come with the movie. Check it out.
I'm gonna drop him, the Sword Lady, 5 or 7 of these seals. After that, I'm gonna need some help. You down?
Always. What about the now next?
Your friend's gonna help us out with that, right?
You're my friend, too.
Stay evil, Dollface. Spread the word.
So, I'm thinking if we move together, we can kill all these guys and go our separate ways. Yeah?
Sounds good.
Spread the word.
Wait, need your help, man. When the time's right, you hit Flag with a fireball, he'll be too busy burning to death to have a go at us with his phone at Dune.
Then what?
Then we get out of here.
And do what?
What are you, bloody Socrates with all the questions? Freedom, man. Freedom. You remember that, don't you?
We're criminals, you know that, right?
Yeah, it's great. Come on, do the bastard.
Hey, be careful. He eats people.
So, Mother Superior, what?
He eats people, for reals, homie. He's a cannibal. No.
Would you die for me?
Yes.
I live for these moments with you.
I'm all yours.
The Joker and Harley Quinn are unpredictable.
They are the king and queen of Gotham City. Talk about a romance gone wrong.
Come on, Puddin'! Do it!
You don't know whether Harley's gonna laugh, hug you, or shoot you in the face.
Stupid bats, you're ruining date night!
And then Joker's even worse than that.
I think that the Joker is probably better known than the devil.
Some might say that the Joker is the most famous bad guy in the DC universe.
The trick was to be incredibly respectful of the legacy of the Joker and not tamper with that, yet at the same time reinvent the Joker. And Jared pulled that high wire act off.
What? Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Desperate times call for the panel of the week.
Before we go, we've got an awesome Suicide Squad prize pack to give away to one of you.
We're talking all kinds of awesome goodies like t-shirts, artwork. We've even got a very rare concept art lithograph signed by David Ayer. It's worth $500.
For your chance to win all of that, you have to click subscribe and then let us know down in the YouTube comments what was your favorite panel from last week's DC comic book.
And make sure you use the hashtag MyDCAA sweepstakes entry. For the full rules, check out the link in the description below.
And remember, you have to be a subscriber, so make sure you click that big red subscribe button to win all of this Suicide Squad goodness.
This stuff is so good! We'll see you guys tomorrow.